Hey everyone, in the mail today I got my Obens and Pro keyboard, which finally means I can clean my Ultimate Model S DOS keyboard that I've had for over 5 years. This was my very first mechanical keyboard. I didn't want to start cleaning it until I had a replacement keyboard, just in case anything went wrong in the cleaning process. Another reason why I needed to wait for a replacement keyboard is because I didn't want to have to use my MacBook Pro keyboard when I'm working from home. The scariest part about cleaning this DOS keyboard is the lack of key inscriptions. If anything, you would think it'd be easy to clean these keys, but each key row has a different keycap profile. So this key and this key are not the same. So I'm gonna have to clean these and stay really organized, or else it'll be a nightmare putting all these keys back on, because each key row is going to be of a different shape and I need to make sure they go back in the same place.
Young Bosnia. Young Bosnia.
the end result. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. Some of the keys have some oily or grease marks, and there's really nothing you can do about that except keep your hands clean and dry before using it. But with the lack of key inscriptions, you can't really see it, and it doesn't look too bad. The back plastic here is a little scratched up. That's something else I really can't do anything about, but it does feel nicer to type on, and it is definitely a lot cleaner. So yeah, after 5 years though, this thing held up really well, and I'm definitely happy with it. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Most of the stuff on this channel is just going to be about stuff that software developers might be interested in. So keyboards, tutorials, whatnot. So yeah, thanks for watching.